Welcome to the assembly video for the Decorum Co. Haven Bunk Bed. Please ensure you have received all the necessary components, hardware, and an instruction manual. If you have not received all these components or require further assistance, feel free to reach out to us through WhatsApp or email. No hardware will be required for this assembly. This assembly video follows the steps in the instruction manual and serves as a visual guide to complete the unit. This video is a sped-up tutorial of the assembly process. Please follow this visual demonstration of the assembly process for the Haven Bunk Bed. You may reduce the playback speed or pause the video as needed. Follow along with your assembly manual for a better understanding of the components and hardware being used, or to clarify any confusion. For any queries, feel free to reach out to us directly on WhatsApp or email.